Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove background from picture without any editing apps. You don't need to use Photoshop, Canva or other photo editing apps. You only need to open Google Chrome and without editing photos to remove the background. How to do it? Without further ado, let's get started. The first step, go to Google Chrome. And then type in the search field with the keyword remove.bg. And then click remove.bg to visit the remove.bg site. Now upload the image you want to remove the background from. Click Upload Image. Select an image and wait a few moments. Last step, click Download. The image that you have removed the background will now be saved on your device in PNG format. Let's see the results. This is the image before removing the background. And this one is the result of removing the background image. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.